see that volcano? We are going to climb it today. The weather so far is good, but it is the middle of the rainy season. And off we go. Let me present you Abel.
Llevo 6.000 kilómetros viajando en bicicleta.
The other one is Johannes.
Hola.
This is how much weight they are carrying, and on their foreheads. One of the most crazy things I've seen in Guatemala. So far the weather is on our side. Perdona, ¿es eso que estamos subiendo?
Ahí vamos, ahí vamos.
Puch, falta un chingo, como se dice aquí.
5 horas. No se mira más lejos.
It has been already 1 hour 20 minutes that we've been walking. It's not an easy hike. So, be prepared. We thought we are close to it, but no, no, no. This is where we are hiking. As always, I was like joking around. Oh, maybe there will be coffee just behind that hill. And guess what? My precious. And it's getting better! Welcome to the next hike. A little bit more strenuous than the 5 days around the Atitlan lake, the deepest lake in Centralamerica with 220 meters. The city that you see is San Lucas Toliman, and now we are kind of between different volcanoes. On the right hand side you see the two-headed Toliman, and behind us there is Atitlan we are trying to reach. We are a bit lost. This is what I call off the beaten track travel. We are not even on any track, not only beaten. ¿Qué son toros?
Los bulls.
Aquí?
Yep.
We just figured out why this is. We just found the toro, and what now? They want me to go next to the bull. The way became steeper and more slippery. Hello, Toliman. Es que les hablas en quiché. My ears just popped. Daleko jeszcze? This is the type of going up and climbing that you will encounter on the way. Does it rain a lot in Guatemala in the rainy season? Well, we've been walking for the last 7 hours with 1 hour break. As Abel says, dodał mnie stopy. I'm going slower and slower. It's getting colder and colder. Somewhere there. We can't see each other, but look at this. Some lightning. This volcano is not a joke. We arrived at the peak at 7. It's freezing. Can't see, I can't feel. Let me present you to the conditions of this.
¿Cómo está este chuchito?